Find the derivative of the following function. F of x is equal to x minus 1 times of x minus 2. So first thing is we will state the first principle. Which is nothing but f prime of x is equal to limit f of x plus h minus f of x entire thing divided with h as h tends towards 0. So what is that I advise? Yes, take up f of x plus h separately, simplify it as much as possible, and then proceed. So in this case, what will happen? Think of it. Wherever x is there, I'm going to write x plus h, and everything else will remain the same. X plus h minus 2. So many people get confused with this. Please don't get confused. It's very simple, straightforward. Wherever x is there, you have to write x plus h. Either you can expand it over here, or you can expand it when you substitute it, which I won't advise, because it is going to be lengthy and we tend to make mistakes when we are writing too many things. So we will do it over here. I'm going to multiply x with all of this. So we have x square plus xh minus 2x. And then the next term plus h times of x. Next is this plus h square minus 2h. And then the last term minus 1. So minus x minus h plus 2. See if anything that we can simplify. We have x square and nothing else. So x square is alone. Then we have this and this, that would be plus 2xh. Then we have minus 2x, that's minus 2 by the way. And we have minus x, so we have minus 3x. So we touched upon this and this. And then we touched upon that h square is there, minus 2h, and minus h is there, plus h square minus 3h plus 2. Those are your constant terms. Right? Now things are a bit simpler. So moving on, what do we have? We have substituting in 1. We need to substitute this in 1. So we'll end up with f prime of x is equal to limit h tending towards 0. The first expression, I'm just copying it, nothing else. And don't forget the second expression. Minus, oh yeah, second expression also we need to multiply this. I'm going to do it here itself. X square minus 3x plus 2. So I used a particular identity that we study in 7th, 8th and all of those grades, divided by h, and I got this expression, right? So we have x minus a into x minus b. So we have that formula x square plus, we actually have a formula something like this, x plus a into x plus b, if you guys remember. If not, then you can expand it and get it. Anyways, further simplification would look like limit h tending towards 0. I can directly cancel this and this without opening the brackets, this and this too, and plus 2 and plus 2. So we can do that, it's okay. We can skip a step, plus h square minus 3h, and this entire thing divided with h. And now what do we have common in the numerator? Yes, we have it. We have the h in the numerator, that is common. So we have 2x that is remaining plus h minus 3, and this entire thing divided with h, right? And finally we have h and h that can get cancelled, and now we will substitute directly on direct substitution. So what do we get? We have 2 times of x plus 0 minus 3, so 2x minus 3. So that would be your answer. So if you guys want to verify, you can multiply this, derive that expression, and you'll get the same answer.